Opportunities and scope for FRM candidates in India. What are the kind of roles and packages and companies that FRM candidates land up earning? Well, simply put, I've mentioned in my FRM videos that this is a great qualification if you want to reach eventually the CRO position, which is coming up across the world, which is a Chief Risk Officer. So think about it. Any major company always has financial risk, especially in the world of digitization. All of them can benefit from having an FRM on their team. Now, this means you can work in any massive company which all have risk departments. You can work in their risk advisory or risk management teams, showcasing your FRM qualification. In fact, historically, getting into these risk management or risk advisory domains had been relatively easy compared to some of the others because you didn't need any major qualification. But now with FRM coming up more and more, there are more and more companies who would prefer having somebody qualified. So if you've done FRM, earlier it might have been easier to get in if you had not studied something. But now because of FRM, for you it'll be easy, and for rest it might become a little difficult. Also, because a CRO will eventually report to a CFO, you can also work in the CFO advisory domain. Beyond this, the usual, right, business analyst, financial analyst, you can work in all of these profiles. The packages for an FRM candidate on completion of the exam, depending on your work experience. If you have zero work experience, it will be between 4 to 5 lakh. The minute you start building work experience and you go from 1 to 2 years, if you're performing well, the salary package obviously starts jumping from there. Can range from 6 lakh onwards and can go north of, I guess, double-digit lakhs depending on how many years you've already worked in this field. Lastly, when it comes to what kind of companies, well, majorly, like I mentioned earlier, multinationals or large companies and banks are the kind of companies that will always hire FRMs. There are also, of course, enough FRMs I've seen who combine it with things like a CFA and MBA. In fact, one of our best faculty members, Aman Singhania, he is a CFA plus FRM, and he is the vice president of products at the National Stock Exchange. So the limits start becoming lesser and lesser, or rather vague and vague, depending on how good a candidate you are. The qualification is definitely a great start and a ticket for you to enter into a role, but then what you do after that is dependent on you, and you can use your qualification to have like a springboard, a launch pad, and then what you do is all on you. Let us know if there's anything else that we need to create on FRM. Leave it in the comments. We'll make a video for sure.